How to join Explorer Club in Atlas Earth. So you can go ahead to your profile in the top left and just press on the settings. Once you're there, you're gonna have to search for information about the actual Explorer Club. So in this case, just go ahead and search for that specifically. It should show up as so. So how you can join Atlas Explorer Club. It's gonna give you a procedure as well. So again, just go ahead to your help and support, since this is basically where you can open their links, but players must own at least 5 badges in their password inventory to get access to the Atlas Explorer Club. And once this requirement is met, you'll unlock their exclusive monthly subscription. You can join the Atlas Explorer Club by following these steps. So first, go ahead into their web app, click on Buy Bucks at the top of the page, and click the Join Now button under the Atlas Explorer Club header. Choose to subscribe monthly or yearly, complete payment information, and then go ahead and click and subscribe. There's a few notes over here that you can go ahead and look, including that the Atlas Explorer Club can only be subscribed to using the Explorer app. So again, just go ahead to that little link they sent, sign into your Atlas Earth account, and you should be able to follow up the process on, of course, joining their Explorer Club if you do meet the requirements. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.